Let's learn about the sounds of PH, AY, and learn 5 important sight words. PH has the sound of f, f, f. Here's a name, Ralph, Ralph. Notice the silent E, which we covered in Level 2, Lesson 5. Own, phone, graph, graph. A's, phase. This is the lesson where we learned about S having the Z sound. Orf, morph. Sphere, sphere. Here's another name. Fill, fill. AY has the long A sound and is generally used at the end of a word. A, play, day, may, say, play, way, tray, bay, ray, pay, yay, pray, sway, clay, gray, stay. The long OO sound has the sound of oo, like in the words to, do, into. Here we have the th sound of TH covered in this lesson, and together, together, today, today. Let's practice with some sentences. The sounds in green that are not new in this lesson are listed down here. Do you like to play in the sand at the beach? Do you like to play in the sand at the beach? Today I will swim. Your graph is small, but mine is big. Yours needs to be bigger. ALL, having the broad A sound of ah, was covered in Level 4, Lesson 5. If you need more practice with these sounds before you move on, you can download Word Mastery for free at this website and practice these pages.